So take me through the steps. Once a developer has these client libraries, what were the steps that they'll go through to actually get data out of analytics?
So the first thing that a developer is going to want to do is log in. Do the equivalent of logging in through the web UI, which is called authentication. So they'll provide, in the simplest case, they could provide a username and a password. We also support some other kinds of authentication called oauth and authsub.
And is that the Google Analytics API providing the authentication, or how does that work?
The authentication is provided. It's a standard for all Google services. Will allow you to log in using these three methods.
Cool.
And once you've logged in, you've authenticated yourself. You're allowed to make a query for either your data, or if you don't know exactly which account, which analytics account or which analytics profile within that account you're interested in, you can ask what we call an accounts query. So in an accounts query, you'll be able to get all of the different profiles that the currently logged in user has access to, and then you can make, we'll tell you the information necessary to make a data query against any of those accounts, any of those profiles. Once you've decided which profile you want to use, either because you just happen to know it or because you found it through the accounts feed, then you can make a data query where you specify some dimensions, some metrics, a date range you're interested in, and if you'd like, you can filter out only the subset of data that, for instance, comes from Irvine, where we are, or something like that. Or you can say, I only want data where, I only want cities where where the number of bounces was less than 10, or something like that. You can also sort the data, ask for a maximum number of results, that kind of thing. And from that, you can build whatever you want.